If you're watching this video, you probably just bought yourself a brand new LG OLED TV. So let us guide you through a quick and easy setup. And before you know it, your eyes will be thanking you. Now, we're going to guide you through setting up your LG OLED TV on its stand. To set up your TV on its stand, check the top flap of the box for how to properly open it. Then review and follow the included instructions. Remove all packing material with the components. And with a partner, lift the box up and over the TV. Next, prepare a clean, flat surface. Then lift the TV and gently place it face down. Here's a tip: lay it on top of a soft cloth or material so you don't scratch the TV screen. Install the base with the included hardware. Carefully stand the TV up and position it where you want it. Connect your inputs and keep cables out of the way by installing the cable management system. Plug in your TV, and it'll show you step by step how to connect your TV service, internet, and other connected devices. Then watch as your new OLED blows your mind. Welcome to the good life.